Hello everyone, I welcome you to the introduction of this amazing and interesting session on out of the box thinking. My name is Gazanfar Ali and I have done my BTech from IIT Bombay. I have been teaching students for last 12 to 14 years for JEE Main, Advanced, IIT and NEET exam. And now I am coming with this unique course of out of the box thinking through mathematics for the students of 8th, 9th and 10th class. What is out of the box thinking? It simply means to think differently. What it means is, if you are given a problem, you come up with the most obvious answer, keep that answer aside and think from the new perspective. When I say think outside the box, what is the box which I am talking about? What is the box which I am talking about? You have to come outside and think outside the box. When we talk about the students of 8th, 9th and 10th class, which is the box in which they keep themselves and why they keep themselves inside the box? They are inside the box because they feel they are comfortable and they are safe in the box. And what is that box? Whenever they go for an exam and the paper is given to them, when they are trying to solve the problem, the only thing that comes into their mind is formula. Which formula to apply, how to apply the formula, and that is where their entire thought process revolves. Let us come outside that box and try to solve the problem for the students. Before moving that, let's try to see in general what is out of the box thinking. On which side is the handle of the cup? First of all, for any student, it's very important to concentrate on the problem statement. On which side is the handle of the cup? Many times the students get distracted by peripheral issues like what is inside the cup? Is it coffee or is it tea? What is the color of the cup? Is the cup half filled or is the cup fully filled? Let's get away from all these distraction and try to answer the question. On which side is the handle of the cup? And the most obvious answer which comes into the mind is the handle is on the right hand side. If we pause for a second, the next answer which comes to our mind is maybe if you are looking from the front, the handle is on the right side, but if you are looking from the back, the handle is on the left side. This was another answer. Let's eliminate these obvious answers. Again think and you see that okay, if you are looking from this side, that is from the front, the handle is on the front, and if I am looking from this side, then the handle is from the back, is on the back side of the cup. Is it okay? Is this the final answer or are there other answers? Let's come outside the box. Let's come outside the cup and the handle is outside the cup. Let's move to some other problem. This is a Roman equation. 11 plus 1 is equal to 10 and we all know that this equation is wrong. I have to correct this equation. The condition is I am not allowed to add anything, I am not allowed to remove anything, I am not allowed to move anything. If this, can I correct this equation without adding, removing anything into this? Pause for the second and try to see if you can answer this question. Awesome! Many of you may have got it right. If I rotate this 10 is equal to 1 plus 9. So this is how I think outside the box. Is there any other way? Without removing anything, without adding anything, can I again correct this equation? Yes. What if I create the mirror image of this? I have got the mirror image here, and if you see here, 10 is equal to 1 plus 9. So you see, if you just increase your time period of the thought process, if you try to look it from a different perspective, we can get multiple answers for the problem. Let's try to see if something different. How to change 9 to 6? And I am sure many of you have got the correct answer. And the answer is rotate 9 and you get 6. Awesome. As soon as you get this answer, other thoughts come to mind. Maybe you subtract 3 from the 9, you will get 6. You multiply by some number with 9, you will get 6. And there are a lot of other mathematical calculations which will change 9 to 6. Can we get some other answer? Maybe yes. This is Roman representation of 9. Till now, you all were looking at the numerical representation of 9 and 6, and from the previous problem we carried over, rotate the image and we get the answer. But no one was able to think 9 in terms of Roman alphabets, and now this is 6, 9 to 6. This is in general out of the box thinking. But as I said, this course is for the students of 8th, 9th and 10th class. What is there in this course for these students? We are given following set of numbers: 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19. What is the next number? Great, great, great. Everyone knows the next number is 21. This is a set of odd numbers: 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19. So the most obvious and the but obvious answer is the next odd number, which is 21. But if I say you may be right, you may be wrong. And if I ask you what is another possible answer, you can pause this video and think. And the another possible answer is 31. Why? All these are odd numbers, but I say all the digits in these numbers are also odd. So the next number should also have both the digits odd numbers, odd digits. If I take 20, 21, 22, it contains an even digit. So the next number which contains both the odd digits is 31. So if the students try to focus and analyze the problem, they can come up with these innovative solutions. Is it over? No. There may be other possible answers. What if I say the another possible answer is 20? Think about it and see Can you find out any rule which can give you the next number as 20 for this sequence? Let's move to another problem. We are given the following set of numbers: 11, 22, 33, 44, 55, 66, 77, 88, 99. What is the next number? I am sure everyone has got it. The next number is 110, and this is the most and but obvious answer because all the numbers are multiple of 11. So, the next number which is multiple of 11 is 110. But maybe you are wrong, because this is about out of the box thinking, and when I say out of the box thinking, you have to keep your but obvious answer at side and think differently. You can pause this video and think about the different answer, and the next answer is 111. Why? All these numbers have repeated digits, and if I take this as an increasing order, the next number which has all the digits repeated is 111. So, the possible answer is 111, and this is what I am going to cover in this course of out of the box thinking, where we will cover the number systems, the geometry, the series and sequences which is taught on, and basic addition and multiplication rules which are the part of the curriculum of 8th, 9th and 10th class students syllabus, but they are only trained and drilled to solve these problems using formulas. I will help them to come out of this box, out of that box of formulas, and solve this problem in a more natural way, in a way which they feel comfortable, and while solving those problems they treat it like a journey and enjoy that journey. Hope to see all these students in our course out of the box thinking. For any queries, you can visit OOBT out of the box thinking, oobt.ikra.ac.in, or you can contact me on my mobile number 9001 784 209. Thank you everyone. Thanks for watching.